Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to discuss a mindset shift that can change the way you view your career, your future, and your financial independence. We're going to talk about why relying solely on a single source of income is risky, and why now is the perfect time to start creating your own opportunities. If you've ever wondered how some people thrive financially while others struggle, stay tuned because we're diving deep into the strategies that can set you free. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stick around until the end of this video, where I'll be sharing a powerful takeaway that you don't want to miss. Let's get into it. You've probably heard people say that it's essential to seek your own path and create opportunities for yourself. However, when I share this advice, some people push back. They claim that entrepreneurship or independence isn't for everyone. But here's the harsh truth. Relying only on a job to make a living is not a secure choice anymore. The job market has changed dramatically. Full-time, secure positions are disappearing, and many jobs no longer provide enough to live comfortably. It's risky to depend on a single source of income. The reality is, having just one paycheck is like putting all your eggs in one basket, and if that basket tips over, you're left with nothing. Today, nearly 30% of the global workforce is self-employed. People are recognizing that the traditional job market isn't what it used to be. More and more individuals are looking for alternative income sources, and the best part is, starting a business or side hustle has never been easier or cheaper. Let me ask you something. Do you think you can get wealthy by working for someone else? The reality is, no one gets rich working for others. As an employee, you're exchanging your time for money. Your income is tied to the hours you work. Once those hours are used up, so are your chances to earn more. There's a limit. What if, instead of thinking about how much time you can sell, you shifted your focus to getting paid based on results? That's what successful entrepreneurs do. They're not confined to an hourly rate or a fixed paycheck. They earn based on the value they create, not the hours they clock in. If you really want to escape the rat race, you need to start working on your own projects. Take control of your time and manage it in a way that lets you work on things that truly matter to you. Building a successful business may take time, months, maybe even years, but the long-term payoff is worth it. Creating a successful business doesn't happen overnight. It requires hard work, patience, and commitment. Profits don't always show up right away. It might take years for your business to start generating significant revenue, and that's completely normal. Here's something crucial to remember. Even if your business isn't profitable from day one, it still has value. That value lies in the potential earnings it can generate in the future. Take PayPal as an example. Back in 2001, the company wasn't making any profit, but it was still valued based on its future potential. Fast forward, and PayPal is now a global financial powerhouse. What's the key takeaway here? When you're starting out, focus on building something that will bring in long-term value. Your vision and the effort you put in now will determine your success in the future. Just like PayPal, your business might not generate profits immediately, but its potential can be worth far more. Let's talk about ideas. We all have them, but the difference between success and failure often lies in execution. An idea alone won't make you wealthy. It's what you do with that idea that counts. Take Steve Jobs, for example. In 2001, after returning to Apple, he didn't just have an idea, he had a vision. Jobs wasn't content with just creating the iPod, a simple accessory. He had bigger plans. His goal was to revolutionize the world of portable technology, and he did just that with the launch of the iPhone and iPad. These products took Apple to heights no one could have predicted. The lesson here is simple. Don't keep your ideas locked away. Put them into action, surround yourself with the right people, and start turning your dreams into reality. Remember, your idea is only as valuable as your willingness to pursue it. If opportunities don't come knocking, you have to create them yourself. It's a simple but powerful piece of advice. The future isn't something you sit back and wait for. It's something you shape and invent. Right now, there are more opportunities than ever before in human history. But they don't always come wrapped up in traditional forms like jobs or employment. Unemployment isn't caused by a lack of work. it's caused by a lack of vision. There's so much work to be done in this world, but many of the opportunities don't look like conventional jobs. Successful people are constantly turning problems into opportunities. While others see roadblocks, they see possibilities. Crisis, in fact, is an opportunity for change. The greatest innovations often come from times of struggle. Those who recognize the opportunities within a crisis are the ones who thrive, while those who don't are left to endure the hardships. Let's be real. Life isn't always smooth sailing. You're going to experience losses, setbacks, and failures. But here's the secret. Every loss contains the seed of a future win. The ability to turn defeat into victory is what separates successful people from everyone else. Think about it like this. Each time you face a setback, you have two choices. You can either let it drag you down, or you can use it as motivation to push forward. Every defeat is an opportunity for growth, learning, and improvement. If you adopt this mindset, there's no limit to what you can achieve. To wrap things up, I want to leave you with this. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Create them. The job market may be changing, but that just means there are more chances for you to build something of your own. Take control of your future by investing in yourself, your ideas, and your dreams. Remember, the most successful people aren't the ones who follow the traditional path. They're the ones who carve their own. If you've made it this far, comment below saying, "I create my own opportunities." I'd love to see your thoughts, and I'll be giving a heart to those who leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe and check out some of the videos appearing on the screen right now. Until next time.